Hey YouTube, this is Southern Purple One. As you can see, we're clearly moving towards a conflict with Russia. There's powers that be that wants a conflict. This is probably because the Europe is basket case. It's economically in rough times, and the United States is not doing that good either. So, as you know, 19 drones were fired into Poland. 3 of these drones were shot down. I personally don't think it was a deliberate attack by Russia. It could be the results of electronic warfare, making them go off course, and then violating Polish airspace. I think that's what happened. It makes no sense for Russia to do that militarily. Now, maybe they were doing it to test the air defenses, and I can see that side of it. Some of these were decoy drones. This resulted in pretty much NATO and countries around there firing up their air force, their planes, to try to shoot down these drones. So we're at a critical point. I mean, it could go either way. Poland did call for Article 4, and that Article 4 is consultation, and that's what they're doing. So just keep prepping. That's all you can do. You can't do anything to affect over there. Also, look at Israel. Israel just bombed Qatar to take out some Hamas leadership. I mean, bombing another country is an act of war. Israel and the United States are the only countries that can really get away with that. So that's another hot spot. So we'll just have to see what happens. But just keep prepping. You cannot control if World War III happens. You cannot control a conflict. You can control how many bullets, beans, canned goods, fuel you have put back, getting out of debt. You can control that. Just living your life to be ready for any emergency. Hurricane season has not been bad, but it's not over. It's right now at the peak. So be prepared as a prepper. Thanks for watching.